Our supplier database contains the names, locations, and contact information mostly for North American HVAC suppliers and distributors. Searching in this database is simple. For example, to find Carrier suppliers in Indiana, enter the brand Carrier and the abbreviation for Indiana. Or you can specify a city. And remember, when you forget how to spell Cincinnati or Albuquerque, wildcards work here too. Our MSDS database contains hundreds of chemicals, compounds, and gases. Searching in this database is the same as the others. Enter the chemical name or the product name to see the safety data for it. You may now print the datasheet, or, if desired, select the text you wish to print using the click, drag, and release method. Click the Print MSDS button at the top right of the program window, and make sure that you check the selection option in the page range area of the print window.